Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hopefully everyone is fine, enjoying your life. And today I'm in my kitchen and I was asked to make paratha from my non-Pakistani friends. And today I'm going to make it. So this is a wholemeal atta. You can use any atta, white one, mostly people prefer. I don't do it because this wholemeal is a reddish one. But the problem with this one in UK is this one have the grains are bigger than the normal one. And now if you want to mix it up, some people do use some type of oil, some type of salt. I just use some salt. I would prefer, because if my parents will know I'm using that much salt here, they're gonna call me and tell me don't use it because it might increase your blood pressure. So I use a bit, but I use it sometime, not all the time. And then some people, they might use an oil. I am using today olive oil in it, a bit. That's it. And then I will mix it with water. So I make things earlier. And I will meet you after mixing it. You pour some water, you mix it, then you pour some more water, then you mix it. I don't know the actual way, this is how I do it. I don't know if anyone disagree with me and knows an easy way. I don't know, I have no idea. I just do it because I feel it's good for me. Now the flour is ready, and the key point is, while you are doing it, make sure it's not becoming too light. I mean too light with the water, like it's not a paste, and also it's not too much thick. So when you feel like it's sticking to your hand again after you mix it with all water, so I just try my hand, just make it wet, not bring much water, so it will not be too much thick and also not too much watery. And at the end I just take my hand, wet it, and put some water from my hand only, not too much water. Now the things are ready. So I have the dough of the flour, I have sukata, dried flour, and normal flour you can say, and I have this one, this is belna. And you can take anything, or even you can use the shelf, but I prefer this one also. It's I could use the wooden one, it's better because it doesn't move easily, and I'm not that much perfect. So I will take some, I will make a round ball of it, press it, put it in the flour, and it is still too much you can say soft. It will take time to get hardened, so if you keep it like for half an hour, it will be hardened perfectly, if in case you haven't put much water, because if you put water you are already making a paste. So I didn't let it be much hard because I'm in hurry, so I will just So I'm making the paratha which does not have a oil inside. We can do it inside also, but not for today. Today I'm going to make just the one. I will put oil on the outside only, and I will try to make it round. Sometime it happens, sometime I am not able to make it round, so I don't know. So I just try my work out, check which side I can make round, so it's more like a rectangle than round shape. This shape is round, I don't know how. Okay. It's almost round, it's fine. Now we'll go to that part where I have this, which is getting hot now, and it's not hot yet. So I will turn it fast. So I just took this one up and I will put it here. I should have put it. I couldn't put it properly. This side over exceeded from here, so I can readjust here. And you can either put oil in the down and also on the top, but I don't want that much oily, so I'm just putting oil on the top right now. So I'm just trying to use the oil, but as much as less I can, because I don't want to end up being fatty, because I'm not working hard nowadays. Means like physical work. And once you start seeing it's becoming ready, just flip it over with something. You can just, if you want to make oily this side as well, you can just put oil like from here. You can just put the oil also here, which I don't do it because I don't want to end up getting more fat. And now it's just about how you make it. I'm pressing it so because when you are frying it, actually frying the paratha, some places might be uncooked properly, so I'm making sure every part of it will be uncooked. And normally the side ends are the thick one, because I don't know how to make it properly, and for me inside is not that much thick, so I'm pushing it to get the oil inside. When I push it, so hot oil will go inside and it will help it cook fast. It didn't come up with a good shape, to be honest. It is like a semicircle today, so I'm not good in making good shapes. Don't if you are my student, don't look at it, but my student already know I'm not good in drawing. It's fine, you can look. And when it is ready, it will tell you that I'm ready. Like, it will not shout at you I'm ready. You can see its color. If it depends on which type of flour you are using. If I'm using the red one, so it will be a bit more reddish, like this one. So it's almost ready. So I will just take it out and I will put it here. That's it. So this is how we make paratha the easiest way, and it's a paratha but not that much oily, not that much fatty. But there is other way, like if I put inside oil also, and on one day I will try to make it for cheese, for like with the potato and the stuff, which is called aloo ka paratha. Hopefully you like the video. Subscribe my channel. Take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Now I will be eating. So after making the dough, you have to keep it like minimum half hour to make it like adjust. but I am in a hurry, so I just kept it like for 5 to 6 minutes. It's fine also. And now I'm starting my stove here. So meanwhile, that thing we call tawa, I don't know what you call in English, that metal thing will be hot and will be ready to make our bread. So now we can make breads without oil. We call it roti, and we can make bread with oil and that one is called, it is called paratha.